What do you say we tour a home built by, actually, if you can guess the home builder before you even start this tour, put it down in the comments right now. And at the end, I'll let you know if you're right. However, today we are located in Southbrook, which is a brand new community located on the south side of Lethbridge. And overall, I would say people in Lethbridge would say that the south is the most desirable area in the entire city. And that's because you're close to the big retail centers and shopping on the south side, as well as the NMAX Center, and of course, Evergreen Golf Center, which is actually coming out with Topgolf this summer that I'm super excited for. Welcome to the main floor of this home. That is a very open concept floor plan, and that also features a very light color palette that lends itself to being easily furnished. Now, what you're really gonna like about this color palette is the taupe cabinetry paired with the white quartz countertops over here. And of course, this kitchen has also been upgraded with these cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling that not only make these 9-foot ceilings look even taller, but also adds a ton of extra storage space. Now, speaking of the cabinetry, over here, this actually isn't a cabinet. It's actually your hidden fridge that is paneled and blends right into the rest of the cabinetry that provides a really sleek and clean look. However, over here is actually your dishwasher that also blends into the cabinetry. And then on this side is your induction cooktop. Now, if I've named all of these signature selections and you still don't know who the builder is, be sure to go down the channel and subscribe and start binging the rest of my home tours. Now, continuing through over here, we do have your functional mudroom, as well as your dual door pantry over on this side, as well as your coat rack and your entrance to your double car garage. Now, we are gonna check out the primary bedroom in just one second, but first, as we walk through the dining room and the living room area, I did wanna point out that this home is on a large pie-shaped lot, which gives you a little bit of extra space in between the house and the street, but is also a blank canvas for you to develop to your family's biggest desires. I'm thinking a pool. Now, there's a lot to talk about on this floor, but first, let's step into the primary bedroom that is a really good size and has a ton of space. You also have a walk-in closet as well as an ensuite. And what good is an ensuite without dual vanities and a stand-up, walk-in, tiled, and glass shower? Now, on this level, we do have 2 more good-sized bedrooms and a 4-piece bathroom, along with quartz countertops and those floating wall-mounted toilets that we've seen throughout the house. However, this space here is probably, at least should be, one of your most favorite spaces in the entire house because it's so versatile and flexible. I mean, wouldn't this make a great yoga studio? See, you see what I did there? Flexible yoga studio? Never mind, forget it. Thank you so much for staying till the end of the video to tour this brand new construction home with me. And if you haven't guessed it already, this home was built by Stranville Living Master Builder. And if you guys want to see this home in person, be sure to contact me. My name's Kurtis Hawkins with the Real Estate One team. And if you guys like this video and never want to miss another home tour, just hit that subscribe button right here. Or if you want to binge those other tours I was mentioning earlier, there's a whole playlist right here.